Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to crack Sony Vegas Pro software. So let's start. First, run setup.exe and install it. This is our setup.exe file for Vegas Pro. So right click on it and run it as administrator. Then click yes. Please choose a language for the installation. I will choose English for this. Click next and agree the terms and license agreement for this software. Click next. Create a shortcut on desktop. Click install. It will take some time. Now click finish. Don't run this software. Now second step, close the program after installation if necessary. We already closed this program. Now third step, copy everything from patch folder into installation folder. Now we need to copy this file from patch folder. Just copy it and go to the installation folder. Our installation folder, go to program files, and now this is the installation folder and this is the main directory of installation folder. Just paste it. I already paste it here, the patch file. Now third last step, run the patch as administrator to register the program. So now we need to run this patch file as administrator. So right click and run as administrator. Click yes. Click next. That's it. Now it's active. Now go to the desktop and open this file. Open the software. That's it. Now it's active. You will see. So it is active. You can use any kinds of video editing using this software. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel.